Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications and extend the list, which will reveal all our toggles, or at least ones that are added by default. Now, screen recording toggle is on a second page, at least that's where it is for me. As you can see right over here, it's cutting out a little bit, but you can obviously see the camera with screen that starts to cycle through. Once you see this, you can either tap on it to start recording, or you can tap on the not tap, but I guess hold it. Never mind, there is no settings. So it looks like our only settings right here are the microphone, which is enabled by default. If you don't want it, I can turn it off. And then the play button, which is just a record. So I'm gonna press on it. As you can see, it goes, kind of changes into this faint little pop-up right here, and it gives you a notification that it is recording right now, which you can also see screen recording screen. It gives you a little timer how long you've been recording. You also have this dot following your finger to indicate where your finger was actually pressing the display. Now, whatever you will do while recording obviously will be recorded. There is a little bit of a limitation to it. So if you open up apps that for some reason have access to your system and can block that, which is absolute BS, you will get a black screen. So I'm just gonna stop it for now. Now to mention, to basically name a couple of these applications that tend to block your screen. Most of the bank applications will do so. That's a little bit more reasonable for your safety, I guess. You could download some viruses, and I guess it could just block them from being able to see what you have or what is visible on the screen and all that. But where it is kind of falling apart is just some shit applications that have zero right to actually have any kind of input on what you can do on your device. Now, to name one, which most of you won't even know, but it's this garbage. So this is basically for where I live, and it allows me to just kind of gauge in like how long I have till my public transportation, the city transportation arrives at specific stops of my choice. It's a normal app, but for some reason it's blocking my freaking screen recorder or screenshots, which is just to me a little bit overdone. Like, app should not have this much control. Additionally, Netflix will also do so. So if you try to record a screen while you have Netflix open, again, you're gonna get a nice black screen. Now, with that being said, you will be able to record sound from the application. I guess apps cannot block that, but yeah, they can block the screen. So anyway, if you ever encounter such a thing where you recorded your screen, you have a black image, just know that that app for some reason has access to just be able to block that. Now anyway, going to the screen recording that I've captured right here, we're gonna find our gallery or photos application. It looks like it's photos here. And once we open it up, you can see your screen recording right at the top. Now if you see some categories, so I guess I don't have any categories, but if you see some albums or categories, something like that, you can navigate in there and you should find a screen recording one, or in this case it's movies. As you can obviously see right here, it's labeled movie. I can tap on this and it will obviously show me everything. Now unfortunately, if it's categorizing this as movies, it will be in between also any kind of camera recordings, which will be a little bit harder to find. But from here we can just simply tap on it to view it. So there you go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.